has one of the highest per capita carbon emissions. For it to meet its 2050 net zero targets and unlock corresponding economic gain, it must be able to reduce its energy expenditure, 70% of which is used just for cooling. And so we introduced ParleyFlex, a one-of-a-kind dual insulating bio-based interior retrofit panel made from rice paddy straw. ParleyFlex has low thermal conductivity and is mold resistant, and also available in a variety of colors, textures that can mimic concrete or even corkboard. Our composite panels have been designed for intuitive, hassle-free installation that eliminate the need for fancy bonding techniques or metal frames, which reduce installation footprint, thus maintaining its carbon neutrality in spite of international shipping, because at the point of origin it was a carbon negative material because it prevented crop burning, which has a high carbon footprint. After countless hours of experimentation in the lab, spending countless hours with paddy farmers across India to learn about the crop-based problem, we discovered a large material opportunity sitting right under our noses. While stubble burning has haunted northern India for decades, causing major economic and health degradation, it seems to have been merely a case of poor utilization of an abundant feedstock. What cost farmers 1 pence to burn can now earn them an additional stable revenue source, giving them a reason to not burn it and instead give it to us to upcycle into a high-value globally traded product. The process begins with mechanical fiber separation, then with a recyclable chemical pre-treatment as well as dyeing. We create a cellulose, fire retardant and mineral dye mixture to which a binder is added and mixed. This is then poured into a pre-molding frame. The mixture that has then been shaped is carefully lowered into a pre-greased mold that is placed in a heat press and compacted to create the final form. Different surface textures can be achieved by placing CNC metal form negatives inside the mold prior to pressing. Extensive tests were carried out to test the thermal performance, conductivity, fire retardancy, as well as tensile strength.